Welcome. In front of me I have Nokia G10, and today I will check how the fingerprint sensor that is built into the power key works in the smartphone, so we can check how fast it works and if it is reliable. So let's make a few tries. You don't have to press on that key, you can simply just touch or even slide like that. The phone will be unlocked. As you can see, the sensor works fast. Of course, it's not the fastest sensor that you can find, but it works really good. It also recognized my fingerprint in the first try, so right now we can say that this fingerprint sensor in the Nokia G10 is reliable. And as you can see, that's how it works. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.